Hi, my name is Ron. On behalf of our community, I would like to invite you to something very, very special. I'm talking about your opportunity to join our private VIP inner circle. This is an amazing place, and you are going to absolutely love it, provided that you are quick enough to join, especially when it's 100% free. So this is a very special group of people, where we go even deeper on training and collaboration. We open doors of opportunities to work with other companies, as it related to you. Building your online business, making money, on the internet building, and expanding your business. We talk about marketing, money management, opportunities for ideas, and things that we don't talk about publicly. We also have our VIP-only live events happening on regular basis that you'll be invited to. No additional cost to you. So my friend, listen, if you want to be a part, if you want to belong to a group of winners people that are making things happen and moving and shaking in this industry, I invite you to join us right now. Not gonna cost you a penny. This is a limited time zone. Take advantage, you'll be glad that you did.